Have you ever wondered why some people stay stuck in the same place while others transform? Their entire lives. The difference is not luck, money, or even talent. It's mindset. Today I'll tell you a powerful story of a beggar that proves how changing your mindset can completely change your life. There was once a poor beggar who lived on the streets of a big city. Every day he sat on the same corner, holding out his hand, waiting for people to give him coins. He complained about life, saying, "Nothing will ever change for me. This is my destiny." Years passed and he remained in the same place, hopeless and bitter. One day, a wise traveler passed by and noticed the beggar sitting on an old wooden box. The traveler asked, "What is inside that box you're sitting on?" The beggar laughed and replied, "Nothing. Just an old box I've been using as a seat for years." The traveler insisted, "Have you ever opened it?" The beggar shook his head. "Of course not. It's worthless." But the traveler encouraged him, so reluctantly the beggar opened the box. To his shock, inside was filled with gold coins and treasure. All these years he had been sitting on wealth, yet begging for scraps. His poverty wasn't caused by fate, it was caused by his mindset. He never believed he had anything valuable, so he never looked. This story teaches us a powerful truth. Many of us are like that beggar. We sit on hidden treasures, our talents, our skills, our opportunities, but because of our negative mindset, we never open the box. We complain, we wait, and we accept less than what we deserve. So remember this. If you want your life to change, first change the way you think. Your mindset is the key to unlocking the treasure within you. The world won't give you opportunities until you believe you deserve them. Don't live like the beggar, sitting on a treasure you never discover. Open the box, change your mindset, and your life will change forever.